let me show you where is the microphone on OPPO Find X9. We actually have a couple of microphones on this phone, so let me try to show you all of them. We have two main microphones at the bottom of the device over here and over here, right next to USB-C port. This one and this one, these both dots seem to be microphones. In addition to that, it seems that, at least based on the diagnostic test over here, there is also a microphone that is hidden at the top. You might think that this is the microphone over here. Wait, let me actually try to show you that this thing over here is the microphone, but it is actually the IR blaster. So I assume that it is hidden somewhere where we have the earpiece over here used for calling. Now, besides that, we also have a rear microphone, which seems to be located over here where we have the cameras, and I assume that this dot in here is the microphone. This is the only one that is not really covered. As you can see over here, it is pretty clear. And so I mentioned two microphones over here, the one at the top and of course the one at the back, so we have 4 microphones in total. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.